When we visit schools, we always expect to see good things happening. We want schools to be places where children from all backgrounds have every opportunity to make the best possible progress and have the best possible experiences.
It was really clear throughout the process that the focus was on the children, 100% on the children. So I think the team very quickly established a baseline. They understood the level at which our children come into school, which I think we really appreciated as a school. There was also a big focus on their well-being and the nurture within school. We have lots of children here with additional needs, so changing anything would have been a complete disaster. In the past, as a head teacher, I spent hours and hours in the office with the team. They spent very little time or not as much time in classes. That's really changed over the years, so it feels much more of a partnership. The process is much more of a partnership, and the inspection team spent lots and lots of time in classes with children, looking at books, talking to learners.
The team that we had in school were really nice people and came into school and made an effort to make sure that we could see them as people. You don't need to have this great big pile of things to present to them. You just need to be able to talk and you know your stuff.
I did exactly what I always do. My timetable was exactly as it always is. Didn't have to prepare any extra work or do anything differently. Just ran as it normally did. And I think now that younger members of staff have gone through it, they can see for themselves that there isn't anything to be scared of, because at the end of the day, we're all human and we all want the best for the school, don't we?